We're at the farmer's market today. Look at Tiffany. She's getting her ingredients for the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show. And there's Margaret. Hi, Margaret. Alrighty then. And that's the older brother, Javon. That's our regular cameraman and our producer, but he's on break today. Doing what he does best, moving his finger. And the man of the hour, Chef Terrell, and there's Dad over there. We're at the farmer's market. Hello. She's from the Great Harvest, the best bread in America.
That's right. You guys want some pumpkin chocolate chips?
Sure.
Oh my God.
So if you want some fresh basil, some fresh coconut flat chocolate, if you want some peppermint hot chocolate, which is Mommy's favorite, this is where you come to the farmer's market in Henderson, or you could go to the Great Harvest Bread Company.
It's good. It's like fantastic.
Okay, and so this is where you would be going, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
All right, the team is on lunch break.
You got a hot dog too? You got a hot dog too, Marv?
The voice in the background, that's the daddy.
That's the father. Man, it's looking bomb like.
So let's see what they had to eat. So we got a hot dog over there and some garlic fries. Ooh wee.
Is it a chick grilled
Hey
chicken
Daniel
sandwich?
Tiger. And that's Chef Terrell.
No, but I mean.
That was Chef Marge.
Grilled chicken.
And Chef Tiffany with her large shaved ice and her teriyaki bowl. Ooh wee. And Javon, the cameraman, with his favorites. And the daddy. Beautiful fruits and vegetables. Can't you see?
We come from California every weekend.
Okay, and you see the Highland Harvest Barn. Finest quality and freshness fruits and vegetables. And as you can see, you don't see these kind of tomatoes in the grocery store, so I'm just letting you know. And there's Chef Terrell. Hey Terrell, are you going to look for your ingredients today? No, there's no bananas. No, you want to get some oranges or you want to get some apples? Okay, so Chef Tiffany got some bell peppers. Look at, they have sugar snap peas and grape tomatoes, regular peas over there. Some good stuff. I'll take 3 sweet onions, please.
You were so nice, you already gave me a bag.
Okay, well, put the onions in your bag, ma'am. Everything looks so nice and so fresh. These are the kind of ingredients they use for the show. Whenever in doubt, if you're in Vegas, in the Henderson area, come down to the farmer's market at 240 South Water Street. Thanks for watching.